In this video, I'll show you how to publish and host an app on BASE44. First, open your web browser and go to the BASE44 website. Sign into your account and open the app you want to publish. Next, review your application and make sure everything is working correctly. Test the pages, forms, navigation, and any integrations before making your app live. Now, click the Publish button to begin the deployment process. BASE44 will prepare your application and generate a live version of your app. After that, wait for the publishing process to finish. Once it's complete, BASE44 will provide a hosted URL where your application can be accessed online. Next, open the live URL and test your app in a web browser. Make sure all of the features work correctly and verify that the published version matches your project. Finally, if you need to make changes, return to your BASE44 project, update your app, and publish it again. Each time you publish, the hosted version will be updated with your latest changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to publish and host an app on BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.